Hello everybody, it's Junior Computer Scientist here, and today is the day that I'm leaving Windows. So I've actually been thinking about putting Linux on this for a very long time, and I've never actually did it because I was scared of a couple of things. One thing that I was scared of was video games. I've heard it a lot, video games suck on Linux, but I don't even play video games a lot anymore. So that's a good thing, I guess. But also, I looked it up today. I could play a couple of Call of Duty games, on Linux, and it shouldn't be that much of a problem. So that's also another option that I'm going to do. Another thing that I've seen is video editing. So I use Adobe, and Adobe doesn't run on Linux, guys. It doesn't. So that was another thing I was scared of. But then they decided to charge me $50. I'm not paying that $50. So Linux has a couple of options for video editing softwares that I could try out. They're free. So I'm going to do that. And what was the third thing? I don't really remember. I guess the third thing that I was scared of was just overall usability, But I have Arch Linux, by the way, on my laptop. Right, and I use it for school. I be in the terminal, floating around in there, changing directories. That's pretty much it. Using Vim too, and I'm probably going to use Vim a lot more in some of my YouTube videos from now on, since I'm going to be in Linux. I'm not going to be a complete newbie, but I'm also not going to be a complete, god at this. I'm just going to be just throwing myself in there, I feel like right now is the best time for me to do it because I don't really use my PC for schoolwork, so it's not like there's anything on here that I'm going to lose. It's all on my iPad, which is like the perfect thing for students. So, without further ado, I'm about to install Linux. Now, I'm not going to document the entire process because this isn't a tutorial, but I'm going to just kind of pop back in and I'm just going to be on Linux, hopefully. But this does also mean I have to redo OBS. I'm going to have to make sure that the camera's connected and make sure that the stream deck, well, I'm probably not going to do that. I'm probably just going to get like a simple setup on OBS just so I can show my face in the screen at the same time, I guess. And then I'm going to start editing it. In the next video we're going to be back to normal. It's just that I'm going to be on Linux. So without further ado, let's go. So I'm back, and I'm on Linux now. I have been on Linux for a couple of days now, but I was trying to get an editing software together, and I was also trying to make sure OBS was working perfectly fine, so I wouldn't have any problems when I do this. But instead, I've had a lot of problems when I actually got OBS installed and everything. My hotkeys wasn't working, and I was trying to get it to work with the Steam Deck, and it was working, but then it stopped working, and I honestly just don't feel like fixing it. So yeah, I'm probably gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do with the Steam Deck, but I'm just using my hotkeys with my keyboard because I could have did that in the beginning instead of buying a Steam Deck, but hey, we're here now. And also, other than that, everything kind of worked perfectly fine. Other than just now trying to get my mic to not sound so quiet, but I just increased the gain and called it a day. So yeah, that's what's going on. That wasn't really computer science related, so I don't know why I told you all that, but let's just slide on into my OS. You know what I'm saying? Obviously I'm on two screens, but I'm only going to show you one because that's what we're on. But let's go to where all the magic happens. You know what I mean? The terminal. Okay. All right. Look, those are all of my files slash folders. I don't have anything in here. That's pretty cool. Like, let's create a file called C++. Why not? So to do that, you do mkdir or mic directory cpp. I'm just gonna call it that, and let's cd into cpp. You know what I mean? Now here, what are we gonna do? We're gonna create a program, not a hard program, just a simple one that just prints out hello, because that's what we on right now, you know. And let's enter numbers at the bottom. I think that's what I do. I forgot. Is it set number? Set number. Yeah, okay, obviously I forgot a little bit, but yeah, you know, set number. And then let's just include. Wow, I didn't even do anything right. So let's hit the hashtag and include IO stream. Sorry, sometimes I actually forget. And then using namespace std, so I don't have to keep doing, you know, the cout thing, and then int main. Whoops, and an int main. Let's do that. Bring that down there. Do that. Go up. Return 0. Yep. Go back. Go down, down, and then just cout. You know, simple. Hello world. And honestly, let's just do a little backslash, just because we don't want the program to look ugly, because they do tend to do that sometimes. Am I right? Okay. Now escape colon wq. Now we're gonna g++ hello dot cpp. That's to compile it, by the way. You know, I'm a little Linux user myself. You know, I've been here for a while on my laptop, not on the PC. And now, what are we gonna do? You're right. /a.out. And hello world is right there. Wow, sorry. Okay, it's gonna show me everything. All right, yeah, hello world. It's right there. I really like the whole vaporwave aesthetic. I think it's nice, you know. This is really cool, you know. And then you just type in code, and what's gonna happen? You open up VS Code right there. You know, I had a little small JavaScript program right here. It's not really doing a lot. It's really just it's just adding a number time, well, +8. That's really all it does. You run that, you get 15. Yeah, man, this is nice. This is real nice. I use DuckDuckGo now instead of Google, and I still use Vivaldi because it's the perfect web browser. I don't care what anyone says. Oh, it's not open source. I think it's perfect for me. You know what I mean? This is a good time. As soon as it loads. Yeah, look at that. Look at the art. It's not really a lot, but it's something. Yeah, I'm satisfied so far. I haven't really ran into any major problems other than the fact that I can't, you know, play Rocket League or well, I think I can play Rocket League actually. I'm about to try that now after I edit this video and plop it up on YouTube. Also, I haven't used GIMP yet, so that's going to be a learning curve in itself. I don't know what else to talk about, so I'm just going to end the video. Thank you for watching. I just kind of wanted to show you guys that I'm on Linux now. Didn't really have anything else to make a video about, so this is what it's on. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my Discord, and follow me on Twitter, Jordan the CS. Don't follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna delete that at some point. And yeah, thank you for watching.
I'm insecure still, and she's starting to notice. She think my feelings are bogus, but really she is my bonus. I don't like how I wrote this because it's